Today I'm going to demonstrate how to remove the tabletop from an assembled MOLT for replacement or internal repairs of the pitch axis mechanism. So we're going to need a 5/16 hexer Allen drive. The 8 bolts that we're going to remove are going to be this one, this one, this one, this one, and these 4 on this side to match. They connect to the pitch rocker arm here. So when we take these off, the pitch rocker arms will become loose. So be careful not to drop those. They're Loctited in with blue Loctite, so it's going to take a very firm force to break them loose. That's why I'm using this long drive. I've already broken these loose on all 8 of these, so you won't see me do that part, but just take them out. And I kind of like you're taking a tire off. You loosen one, loose the opposite one, and just go round robin, just like you would a tire. Again, these are going to be very tight at first because there's blue Loctite on them, so just put a little elbow grease on it and they will break loose. Once we get them all loose, and you can take them out pretty much how you want. I'm going to stop it and get these all backed out so you don't have to sit here and watch me do this. Now I've got 6 of the 8 taken out, and the last 2 are loosened enough, about a 1/4 inch up, so I can take them out with my hands. You don't want these holes here to get damaged, so you definitely want to make sure you leave one on each side to keep this stable so these rocker arms, the pitch rocker covers, don't fall. So we'll take one out by hand real gently, and that stabilizes that where it's not going to move and you're not going to damage any of these threads. Same thing over here. We take out this one, and now that's basically everything that frees it. So we take our extension and we hook it here into our pitch drive mechanism, and you can use a speed wrench if you want. And now we just back the table out, and as it backs off, this is counterclockwise, it'll loosen the pitch screw from inside here. There's a roller. Get all these screws off the top. So we're just backing it out counterclockwise, and you'll see the tabletop's moving, and the rocket arms the pitch rocker arms are pivoting. Once we got it loose, the table should come free. This is the shortest lead screw of them all, so it doesn't take much to get it fully. You can see the angles changing here of the table. Should be just about there now. It's about the angle you'll get it at before it releases. There it is. Okay. So you heard that rocker arm drop. This whole thing is now loose. So everything's loose here. Let me pause this again. Now that everything's loose, we're going to remove the rocker arms, kind of pull it off a little bit like this. That's the rocker arm cover. I just set it right there. I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Put your hand in here, pick up, and don't let the table drop. Don't let the rocker arms drop. And now, the tabletop can be pivoted up like this, and you're inside of it. That's your pitch lead screw, your convex and concave bearings, the 2 jam nuts, and the felt bearings there. The black ones with number 19. And then there's a washer there too as well, 1/2 inch washer. But that's it.